Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jamie, and in today's video we have some unboxings. I have 3 Fendi unboxings and then 1 Bottega Veneta handbag, and it's gonna be good. So let's get started. Now my first item is from Fendi, and I talked about it in my Fendi unboxing. I wanted a way to really just give a different look to my baguette, and what better way to do that than the Fendi Baguette strap. This is a beautiful beige, and it actually matches perfectly with my baguette. So excited that they had this color combination. It's more of an off-white and beige color. Here we go. I think it's perfect. What I love is that you can adjust the strap. It gives a whole different vibe when you have this paired up. I just think this is a perfect crossbody option. I love the way it drapes. It looks with the baguette. It's really perfect. So do you need this bag strap? No. But what I love about having this bag strap is it's adjustable, and it just gives a different look to the handbag. The bag strap that it does come with here, it's a well-made strap, but it's not adjustable. And I would pretty much use this as more of a shoulder bag. You can wear this crossbody, especially I'm 5'2", so it does fall a little bit shorter. I prefer it, again, more of a shoulder bag. You can see the difference when I wear the adjustable strap versus my leather strap. The next item is from my wish list, and I'm actually wearing them right now, and it's these beautiful Fendi gold earrings. I'll make sure to put in a clip for you guys, so it's just the perfect size, and I love the more understated Fs. It still gives more of that whole logo moment. If you don't know what Fendi is, then you might just think they're some very chic looking hoops. They're pretty lightweight. Again, I think they're the perfect size for every day, and these are ones I'm so excited to add to my collection. My last item from Fendi was not on my wish list, but what I love about this item, it gives that pop of color, and when you see this item, you'll understand, because I really could not resist. Colorful baguette. This was during that Skims collection launch. I love how it's so cute, and you guys know I've been talking about getting more pops of color in my collection. Now, whether that's more pastel tones, muted colors, or something with a little bit of pop, especially as we go into spring and summer, I think it's the cutest thing. Mama and her baby, I think it's the cutest thing. With this type of look, I probably wear more of the honey beige strap, just to give the little baby baguette more of its moment. I think it's perfect. I did wear this little one when I was going out for errands, grabbing some coffee. It really is just a cute kind of quick grab and go type of accessory. So I love having this type of bag in my collection. It definitely is the smallest bag in my collection. My last item is a Bottega Veneta handbag. So a little bit of a brief story time. Back in December, I went to Vegas, and that was the first time I was able to experience Bottega Veneta. Bottega has some of the most amazing leather out there, to the point that I was like, I need to add something from Bottega to my collection. So when I was in Vegas, I fell in love with the Jody in the mini pouch, but at the time I wasn't ready to pull the trigger. And that's not until this one came around. Love this green pouch. It's so vibrant and chic. Go, guys. This is the Jody bag in the teen size. Now this is my perfect Jody bag. I'm obsessed with this color. You guys know how I love caramel bags, so this is a perfect spring and summer bag. Obviously you can wear this all year round. It's a beautiful neutral, and I just love the woven leather. It's so iconic for Bottega, and it's got the updated knot for the Jody style. What I love is that I can wear this bag over my shoulder and I can still have it as a clutch style, so I get a little bit more functionality. I was very close to getting that mini Jody, but some of you guys had some great feedback where with the smaller opening and the fact that it was more that handheld clutch type of bag, so I waited. In January is when they released the new teen Jody. This bag has always been in the back of my mind, but I actually forgot about it until one day I was just looking online, and then I was like, what is this teen bag? And when I saw it in the caramel color, it's like, yeah, this is gonna be a fantastic bag for summer. So I'm excited to bring this out. So let me show you guys how it looks on my shoulder, because I think that's what really makes this bag. It's just more that functionality. Here's the Jody under my shoulder. I think it's the perfect size. I don't want to go any bigger. I think it would just overwhelm my frame. I think my favorite look is having it in the crook of my arm. And here it is as a clutch style. I'm big on having bags that are truly functional, so I'm so excited that this teen bag did come out. For those of you, again, that are wondering about the leather, I think the leather is so amazing. It feels so buttery. The teen size features a pretty generous opening. One thing I do want to call out is about the color. Other than this being one of my signature colors that I love in my collection, they did have this in a more lighter, like almond color. I did decide to go with this one for two reasons. One is this bag, if I do it, wear it underneath my shoulder, it could get more color transfer. So I think more of a darker color made more sense for this bag. Also, way back in the day when I started my career at JCPenney's, I have been working in e-commerce my whole career. I saw the old one. It totally gave me those Bottega vintage vibes. I just loved that bag back then. So I love that now it's coming full circle. I'm able to add this beautiful bag to my collection now. Okay guys, so what did you think of my unboxings and my new Jody bag? I love to get your thoughts in the comments below, and I will talk to you in my next video. Take care.